Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. You're using Intel graphics card, Intel inbuilt graphics card, then this video is for you. Without any software, we will be able to increase the video RAM and it will boost up the performance of your computer and it will also boost the FPS in gaming. Before we do these steps, we just need to update the graphics card first. So for that, just do a right click and go to Device Manager. And once the Device Manager is opened, look for display adapters. And here you will find the Intel one. And you just have to do a right click and click on Update Driver, search automatically for drivers. So if it says the best driver is already installed, then it's fine. Now let's move to the next step. I'll just close this. Now just do a right click and then we need to click on Display Settings. Once you click on Display Settings, I'll just scroll it down. You will see Advanced Display Settings here. So you just have to click on that and you will see Display Adapter Properties. I'll just click on that. And here you will see the dedicated video memory. I have a 16 GB RAM and 8 GB of inbuilt graphic card. But the dedicated video memory is only 128. And I want to increase that. So I'll just close this and I'll tell you how you can increase it. So for that, press Window and R key together and you will see a run window. And then we just need to type Regedit. So once you type Regedit, hit OK. And then it will ask you to say yes. So you just have to say yes. Click on yes. And now I'll just minimize it, these things, and I'll maximize the whole window. You need to go to HKeyLocalMachine here. And then you need to click on this right arrow key to expand it. And then click on Software, expand it as well. So once you find Intel in Software, just do a right click and click on New and then Key and type GMM. Make sure it should be all capital. All right. So once this is done, now here, just need to do a right click and then click on DWord 32-bit value. And here, just type the exact way I'm typing it. So you need to type dedicated. Make sure you don't put any space and type the exact D capital dedicated segment, then S capital size. I'll just zoom it for you guys. Dedicated segment size and hit enter or just click next to it. So once this is done, just do a right click and click on modify. And here we need to put the value. Now you need to understand one thing. I'll show you the chart which I have created. So if you have 2 GB of RAM, then you need to enter the value 256. If you have 4 GB, 512, 8 GB, 1024, and 16 GB, 2048. So I'll just type 2048 because I have 16 GB of RAM. 2048 and I'll just click on OK. And then I just need to restart the computer and see if it's making any difference in your computer and gaming FPS, boosting FPS or not. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.